Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that the first 10 days of Ramadan is mercy, and second 10 days are forgiveness, and third 10 days are deliverance from fire, actually being free from the fire, achieving success. What does it mean that the first ashara is ashara of rahmah? The awliya Allah, especially Sayyidina 𝐉𝐨 Dabbagh Maghribi, they mention that what it means is that in the first 10 days, from the very beginning of the first day, and also in the night and in the day, become a means, a statue of mercy, become a living manifestation of the sifat of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, that mercy can be seen shining in you day and night. By force, even making yourself actually do it even though you do not feel, but show mercy, have mercy in the heart,